welcome to the show, ladies and gentlemen. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing here? That white stuff behind us right there, yeah. It's fairly windy up here. We decided to pull over on the side of the road and just show you guys this white stuff behind us. You guys see that, eh? It's coming down pretty good. Look at that, eh? There's even ice building up on the light. Yeah, take a look at that. Getting all covered in snow and ice. But guess what we are getting ready to do? We're actually going camping, guys. Let's check this out. We got everything packed in here. Got a heater in there. Got everything in there. So we're gonna go camping, eh? Yeah, so yeah. So if you like this kind of stuff, us going camping in this kind of weather, leave a big fat thumbs up and share the video. So let's go. Well guys, it looks like we have made it to the campsite. Yes indeed, and it has stopped snowing. We're not quite at the campsite, this is just the entrance to the site, but we have made it. A whopping +1 right now, feels like -7, so let's go check in and go to our site, and I don't know if we're going to start setting up right away. I think we're going to go that way over there, a little bit further down the road. There's the Sand Spirit, I think is what it's called, and we'll go hiking up there, I think. But yeah, nice and chilly. Typical May long weekend. We have officially made it to our campsite. In the last hour or so, we have been a little bit busy setting everything up. So yeah, look at that. There is some other campers around us. You guys can possibly see it in the background over there. But let me show you what we got going on. Take a look at that. We already got the fire going. We got the frying pan out because we're going to be cooking up some bacon and eggs. That's right. Yeah. Oh, I see some birds up there. There's some chickadees up there. The highway is kind of right there, so that's not the greatest, but hey, look at that. We already set up the tarp. Got the van right there. The wife is getting some stuff out of there to cook up some breakfast, bacon and eggs. Oh yeah, the wind is starting to come down. Let me just show you guys around. We got a very nice sandy spot right here. So we haven't set up the tent, which we will be doing later, which is okay. Like right now, like I said, the wind is definitely calming down. It was definitely windier earlier. But yeah, very nice campsite right here. As you guys can see, we're going to have us a really nice evening, I think. We camped at that site right over there. Was it last year? No, I think it was the year before. And then that one, I think we were camping at last year, the one that's right behind there. But yeah, right there, you can see the camping table right there. But yeah, out there, you guys can see a couple of campers. Not that many, but that's kind of what I suspected, since it is a bit of a colder weekend. Like I said earlier, it was 1 degrees and it was still light flurries when we got here. So yeah, a little bit cooler, but somebody has not been a nice person throwing their cans over here. That's never a good idea to do, leaving garbage over here. But yeah, here we are. Let's enjoy a nice camping weekend. It is cooler, like I said, but we got hydro right there, so we are going to be plugging in our heater, and so when we set up our tent, we have an electric heater with us. And so yeah, let's get us some breakfast going here in a minute. We'll let the fire die down a little bit.
Where's the bacon?
Where's the bacon? Yeah, I don't know. It's in the freezer. Yeah, so that's okay. We'll sit down, relax for a little bit, and then
warm up.
Warm up, I guess. Yeah, because we were busy setting up the tent. The tarp. Now we got all of that settled. Gonna enjoy a little campfire. This is how we do it, guys. Getting some eggs ready in there. Getting some bacon cooked up here. Starting to look real good here, in my opinion. We only did one pack because, you know, it's already almost lunchtime technically. And so I just wanted to get some cooking up here. And then, yeah, just eat a little bit. And we'll have a good supper tonight because we're going to barbecue tonight, that's for sure. So let me put the onions and garlic in there. Ooh, that's nice. We'll stir this all up in here. Oh, yummy. You guys know how we do it over here. Oh, yeah. That's the way to live at over a campfire like that. That's the best way to cook up a good breakfast, right? I wish you guys could smell this. Ooh, that's so good. I don't know about you guys, but I think this is looking yummy over here. What do you guys think? Ooh, nicely scrambled eggs, bacon, and onions and garlic. Ooh, what better way to do it? I'm hungry now. Oh my goodness. I think this is going to be so yummy. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for all the members that are subscribed to my YouTube membership here. We greatly appreciate all of you guys. You guys know who you are. And we are getting ready to have some breakfast, eh?
Yes.
Yeah, got a plate ready to go. So let's eat. Hey guys, what better time than to have a little bit of ice cream? Snowing once in a while, but
Jackets on.
yeah, my wife has got a toque on. So, but yeah, why not? Hey, it's my long weekend.
It's always delicious.
It's always delicious, and guess what? I guess by the time you see this, it's going to be my birthday already. Which
Happy
is
birthday.
yeah, next weekend. So we're just going to go for a little stroll and enjoy a little ice cream. I guess we won't have to worry about it melting.
No, exactly.
Anyhow.
But seems like more people are showing up right now, right?
Yeah, it seems that way, but lots of sites are still empty, so it's all right. Oh, I saw the northern flicker flying up there.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, the birds are not too shy either, so they've been getting really close to our campsite and everything, so that's really nice. Anyhow, I'm going to get to enjoying this, so we'll talk to you guys in a bit. All right, guys, after, you know, setting up the tent earlier and all of that, we haven't shown you guys that, but we decided to go up here to the Sand Spirit Trail anyways, since it has gotten a little bit calmer with the wind and everything. Stop raining and ice drizzle and all of that. So we figured we come up here a little bit, show you guys around a little bit. Got some nice grass that usually grows up here on these sand dunes. So we're gonna go walk around here a little bit. There is like a little shack over there that you guys can see. It's kind of a little bit of a resting area. So you get a little bit of shade if you're going here in the summertime. And so yeah, beautiful, beautiful place to walk around. Good exercise. You guys can see that goes into a valley up there.
There was the bathroom.
Yeah, there's a bathroom down there. All that good stuff. So yeah, let's continue on further down and see what else we find for interesting stuff along the way. Check out this view from up here. Yeah, man, this is so gorgeous. Especially when it's not super hot. Ah, climbed all the way. Oh, there's a duck. I guarantee you it's got a nest in there. Let's go check it out. I guarantee it. There is a nest. There is a nest. Yes. We found it by accident. Oh my goodness. Holy moly. Look at that, guys. We found a nest. Oh, that is amazing, guys. That was like a mallard duck. What? I never believed that.
Right here in the desert
Yeah, right here on the high point.
where there's no water. That never would
Yeah.
have thought of.
Look at that again. Man, oh man. That is so interesting. Look at the color of those eggs. A little bit greenish. Wow, right here in the grass. What an amazing surprise.
Far and wide, no water.
Yeah, as you guys can see up here in the desert. I said right away, there it is. I see it coming. Let's get out of the way here. It looks to me like it is a mallard duck. Let me see if I can zoom in with my telephoto. My wife is really enjoying finding that duck nest over there. But check out our review from up here. Yeah, take a look at that.
It's a bench.
Oh yeah, there's a bench way down there, but check out this view right up here. Camera obviously never does it justice, but it's just amazing. Let me see if I can find that bench. Oh yeah, way down there. You guys can see it. Not many people out here anymore. Obviously it is a little bit chilly, but what a beautiful view from up here. We took off like that duck was way down there somewhere that it had the nest. So we took off and went up here. I said to the wife, let's take a little bit of a different trail, and you guys can see like we're as tall or as high as most of this forest around here. Look at all them trees down there. We're just as high up in the air as those guys. But yeah, I figured, hey, why not get a high point view today? Give you guys a good look around. Would really love to come down up in this area here maybe one day at night and take some pictures of the stars and stuff like that. That'd be amazing to do. So
This night it seems like it will be cloudy.
yeah, this night ain't gonna work because we ain't taking any pictures when the clouds are in the way, right? So, but anyways, this is the kind of grass that I was talking about. And then you can see it goes pretty much, well, 50% straight shot down, right? Yeah, it's never showing you properly on the camera. If you show it this way, then you can see it pretty steep down, right? Yeah. Anyhow, it'd be pretty dusty if it was dry or really tough to walk up here, but because we've gotten a lot of rain in the last couple of days, it's actually really nice to walk on this sand right now. So let's continue on. It looks like we have made it back to Homestead, guys. You guys see our tent right here. Wife is getting some water ready so we can get some yerba mate going. So there you guys can see, we put the pot on the fire stove right here. This is a fire pit. And yeah, look at that. We set up our lights around the campground here. We got 2 rows of them. Yeah, look at that. We park our van right there. I figure I show you guys. We did have an extra tarp that we put underneath for now. We're going to give that a shot. Hopefully it will be nice and comfortable inside. At least that's the plan. And guess what else we're getting ready to do? Check this out, guys. Got some potatoes right here. Gonna cook up some T-bone steaks right here for supper. And I haven't shown you guys this brand new grill that I bought. Nick's Grill or whatever you want to call it. Anyhow, it's a really small one. It's a similar idea as what I had before. Let me show you guys a little bit right here. It's with charcoal as well. Has that top grill. I already barbecued on it once yesterday evening at home, just to give it a little bit of a trial. Put it together Thursday. I got it Thursday. It is a little bit small for my liking, but I would like it if let's say this portion was the opposite way. So I like this bottom part to be a little bit deeper so I have more room for the charcoal, because these charcoals, they heat really well, right? So, but anyhow, whatever, we will make it work. It wasn't very expensive. I got it on Rona online there. It was like $122 with taxes and shipping included with that price. So I figured, you know what, let's give it a shot. They did not have it in store. You could not get it in store, so I couldn't have a look at it before I bought it. But hey, I think it will work. It doesn't have a gauge on here on how hot it gets and all of that either. But anyhow, we're going to go get some mate going in the meanwhile and sit around the campfire and enjoy that. Let's do that. What do you guys think? Is it time to check on the progress on this bad boy right here? So now you guys can see the name a little bit better. I went and got my head torch out. So let's go check on these bad boys over here and see what it looks like. Let me make it a little bit brighter. There we go. Got the potatoes on here, all of them. Oh, that's the way I like it. You know what? I think I'm very pleased with it. Yesterday it was super windy, so then it was heating a little too much. But now today I'm able to control it very nicely. So I'm actually very pleased with it. Yes, indeed. We're still sitting around the fire. I got my head torch out so I can light things up like that so you guys can see. It's starting to get a little darker. Yeah. Anyhow, now you guys can also, you should be able to see our Christmas lights or whatever you want to, still a little bit dark.
Those are camping lights.
Yeah, camping lights. We call them camping lights. But anyways, we are starting to run a little bit low on firewood, but you know, it's not too bad. We should be a-okay. We still have more in the car for tomorrow morning, but this is going to have to last us for today. But yeah, I'm very, very pleased with this situation here. Yummy. What do you guys think? That's starting to look really, really good. Just the way I like it. Nice and easy, slow going. Ooh, man, this is nice. Still without neighbors? Yeah. There is one spot over there. You can't really see it on the camera, but there's nobody there. Oh, yeah, it's between that tree and that. You can see the driveway over there. I was pointing the wrong way, I guess. And that spot I think I said it earlier, we camped in that one before. But yeah, nobody there. There is one spot over there that nobody has showed up yet. So good for us. Anyhow, let's just sit down and relax. Well, guys, I don't know what to tell you, but I think, well, I guess I do know what to tell you, that this is going to be an amazing supper. I think this turned out really good, better than I expected. Look at the small amount of charcoal that I got in there. Really not that much. And it cooked perfectly, in my opinion, just the way I like it. Really nice and easy, slow going. Very nice and juicy, as you guys can see right there. Yummy. So I guess there's only one thing left to do. Put these suckers in my plate and eat them. I guess that's what we're going to have to do next.
Forgot that feeling, the sun in my face, it's so well needed. Life will take care of the rest. Biking alone in the sunset, through the canal so the mindset